Expert Foundation Repair. My name is Joseph Graham. I'm going to show you a few things. So when somebody is looking for your business, they're going to do one of two things. They're going to ask somebody that they know, hey, do you know anybody that installs piers? Do you know anybody that works on foundation? They're going to ask their inner circle, people that they trust, if they know a recommendable foundation repair, right? Because this is something that's like very important on a house. The other way they're going to find a service provider is looking online. And when they look online, a couple things are going to happen. They're going to see ads, they're going to see these map listings, and they're going to see these organic listings down here. Now, these businesses in the maps, believe it or not, these people get 70% of all online traffic. So anyone looking for a foundation repair online in a specific area are gonna call these top three businesses. Okay, 70% do that. 20% only call down here in the organic listings, and then 10% only click on these ads. These people only pay for ads because they can't or don't know how to organically get here, or they're not organically here, so they have to buy their way in. All right, so how do you get here? The first thing is this map listing, which anchors you where you want to rank, right? So I'm running your map listing into our heat map tool right here. Okay, this is your map listing. Let's show it some love. Okay, now this map listing right here, it builds trust not only with the public, but it builds trust with the search engines. When it comes to ranking in this SEO game, you want to target like specific towns with these maps, right? So yeah, you can say I serve Tarrant County, I serve Texas, right? That's why there's a blown out map of Texas right here. But when you can get like super local, like super sniper targeted, you can start to rank in uh, specific areas. Okay, what I mean is this. This is your map listing. Okay, and anybody searching for foundation repair in any of these areas are going to see three top results in these maps, right? One, two, or three. Unless you're paying to be there, you're not going to be there. So number four doesn't cut it, right? Look, so anybody like in Irving, they look for a foundation repair, they're going to see this company, these top three companies, right? This is what they're going to see. And unless they take the time to go through the rest of them, you know what I mean? They're not going to be shown. And people think whoever is in here is the best. They say, oh, Google puts the best companies in on top. Well, that's not always the case, right? But that's what they think. So you saw yours, it's all red. Let's look at these guys. They're all green, they're really no better, huh? Look at Perma. So Perma has a couple of green spots. But what you're seeing here is anywhere it says one, two, or three, that's green, they predominantly rank in those areas, right? Now back to yours. I'm saying your map listing says you cover the whole state, but yet just in the DFW alone, it's all red, right? Which means no one is finding you online whenever they type in foundation repair. Okay, so optimizing your map listing, that's the first thing. Building citations to it. Anywhere where you list your name, address, and phone number, such as a Facebook page, such as a Yellow page, Yelp, where you have your name, address, and phone number, they're going to give you a citation, right? And then here's a list of 97 places to get a citation. Okay, this is yext.com/products listings. There's hundreds of more places to get one. Building content. I know somebody's currently working on your site, but if the content has to be authoritative and it has to be relevant. Okay, I always use Wikipedia as an example. If I type in beer, Wikipedia pops up first because they have the most authoritative and relevant content. Look at all this content on freaking beer. It's no different for businesses and their services. You need to be the Wikipedia of your service. On every pier, There's like 4 different types of peers. Break it down, become the Wikipedia of it. And then backlinks push votes to your site. And this is the juice, the most important juice to feeling, to pushing and ranking your online properties to page one. And when they get to page one, they become an asset. If your website is not on page one, it's just a brochure in your uncle's closet. Nobody's going to see it. Okay. My name is Joseph Graham. I'm with Upshot Solutions, LLC. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to this email or give us a call. I'm going to attach this heat map for you so you can just poke around and, you know, see different things. But it is possible to turn this all green. There are some companies that do have all green. Just none of these guys because they all suck. These guys got part of like Southwest Dallas. That's it.